Mansions, the channel where we take you inside the most breathtaking homes in the United States. Today, we are stepping into the heart of luxury design and exploring three of the most important spaces in every mansion: the kitchen, the bedroom, and the bathroom. These areas are where functionality meets style, where comfort merges with elegance, and where luxury becomes a lifestyle. Let's begin with the kitchen. Often called the heart of the home, the kitchen in a luxury property is more than just a place to cook. It is a statement of design and innovation. Imagine walking into a spacious room where marble countertops stretch across a grand island, paired with custom cabinetry that is not only elegant but also built to perfection. The lighting is layered to create ambiance, from soft recessed ceiling lights to glamorous chandeliers that hang above the dining counter. Top-of-the-line appliances from world-class brands like Sub-Zero, Wolf, and Miele bring professional-level performance to a residential space. Open-concept layouts connect the kitchen seamlessly with the living and dining areas, making it the perfect place for entertaining guests or hosting family dinners. A luxury kitchen is designed not just for cooking but for living, sharing, and enjoying every moment. Now, let's move to the bedroom. In a luxury mansion, the bedroom is a sanctuary, a retreat where every detail is crafted to bring peace and comfort. Picture a master suite with floor-to-ceiling glass walls that open to a panoramic view of the city skyline, the ocean, or rolling hills. The bed itself is oversized, framed by an upholstered headboard and layered with designer linens. Lighting plays a critical role here as well. Soft warm tones from bedside lamps, elegant chandeliers, or even hidden LED strips create a cozy atmosphere. Some luxury bedrooms also include a sitting area with plush sofas, fireplaces, and private terraces, turning the room into more than just a sleeping space. It becomes a private getaway within the home. Walk-in closets, designed like high-end boutiques, are often attached, featuring custom shelving, glass display cases, and organized lighting for clothes, shoes, and accessories. Every element works together to create an environment of relaxation and indulgence. And then, of course, we have the bathroom, an area that transforms daily routines into spa-like experiences. In luxury homes, bathrooms are designed as retreats for rejuvenation. Imagine a freestanding soaking tub placed next to a floor-to-ceiling glass wall overlooking a private garden or infinity pool. The materials are of the highest quality: marble, quartz, exotic stone, and polished metals. Double vanities with backlit mirrors and designer faucets create both functionality and elegance. Large walk-in rain showers with multiple jets, steam systems, and even built-in sound or aromatherapy elevate the bathing experience. Every detail, from heated floors to towel warmers, adds a sense of comfort and indulgence. The bathroom is no longer just a utility space. It is a personal wellness sanctuary where the homeowner can unwind and recharge. When you look at the combination of these three spaces, the kitchen, the bedroom, and the bathroom, you begin to understand what sets a luxury mansion apart. It's not only about size but also about attention to detail, design harmony, and the use of the finest materials and technology. Each space is crafted with the idea of blending beauty and comfort, making the home not only visually stunning but also deeply livable. The kitchen inspires gatherings, the bedroom offers escape, and the bathroom provides renewal. Together, they form the core of a luxurious lifestyle that goes far beyond walls and ceilings. It's about creating an experience in every corner of the house, making everyday living feel extraordinary. This is what makes American luxury homes so inspiring. They are not just houses, they are works of art, designed to elevate life to its highest potential. Thank you for joining us today on American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this tour into the heart of luxury design, make sure to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel. We have so many more dream homes and design inspirations to share with you, and you won't want to miss them. Until next time, keep dreaming big and living beautifully.